Bangers. Today we're gonna be doing a video of kittens. Got four kittens.
Four kittens.
Yeah, we're gonna be doing a video of 4 kittens. I can't believe it. I love kittens a lot. And we got 1 kitten in the house, which we're gonna show you. So here's the kitten that I have. Her name is Golden, which we call her Gold. Say hi.
Or you could call her Goldie.
Hi. I just woke her
And
up.
Diamond is over there sleeping.
Yeah, I have a dog too.
Puppy. I forgot how to say it.
Pomeranian Poodle. Pompo. Hi, Diddy.
We call her Pee-Pee.
Diddy. Not Pee-Pee.
Pee-Pee.
She's not
Pomeranian
Pee-Pee.
Poodles.
So here is one of the kittens.
They're twins.
Yeah, these are twins. They're so cute, correct?
Oh, that's your nail. I thought that was nail.
Yeah, they're so cute. They're like 3 months old. Smell like olives.
Ooh,
so cute.
I was laughing
Say
in the
hi,
air.
Mama.
Hi, Mama.
Time to see the other ones. We got 4 kittens.
Oh, no. Oh, no. I'm not trying to hurt you, but let your sister or brother get in. I'm scared of their nails because it's getting sharp.
Oh, I scratched you, baby.
I'm not scratching you.
Yes, you scratched. Here, one of the other ones. They're all twins.
Oh, sorry.
So cute.
Are you okay?
Why are you holding them like that?
Oh, this one is falling out my hair.
Yeah, it's one of them. It's one of the other twins.
Don't their nail hurt?
Sorry, guys. Here's one of the other babies.
Oh, as you see, if you like go like this to their eye, they will like. Oh, they're getting out! They're getting out! This little one getting out! Oh,
And their
that's
mother
so
is
cute!
right here, and one of the little ones just got out.
Yo, that is so cute.
Climbing. And here's the mother.
Like she likes. No.
She's not that annoying.
She snuggles with everybody.
Yeah, because she really wants to get pet.
No, don't be by your mother's butt before she fart in your face.
Look. I said look at them. Look at them. That was the mother right there. Guys, that was the mother. We have 4 kids. Here's all the kittens together. They're in this little bin. I don't know how they
Look
got
at their little babies.
We got their stomachs. Oh, stop.
So my father put them in there because they kept on. They was by. So
It was by the door. I almost stepped on them.
Was died like blood like. So
She was overreacting.
who?
You just said it's gonna be like blood.
Like if you step on it.
Yeah, if you step on the thing. Here's the kitten shown one more time. The eyes are open. Look at the baby.
I think this one is cute. These 2 are the cutest.
Yeah, because they're mostly white.
White and gray. I like that color. And their faces.
So those was the kittens, guys. Please subscribe, press that like button. I hope we could get 5,000 likes. Bye. Views. Hope all y'all watch my videos. Tell your friends, family, doesn't matter.
Subscribe.
Candy clappers out.